It's time to create something new. Higher, stronger. Perfect.
Elsa, you built this? It's like a dream! I made it for both of us.
And from Elsa's heart, a palace unlike any other was born.
On a peaceful winter day, Elsa trains her magic alone.
Steady, perfect. But she's not alone for long. Well now, practicing alone again? Bulda, what brings you here?
I challenge you to a magic match, troll style. A magic match? What does that even look like? Simple. You shape ice, I shape rocks. Friendly. All right, you are on. Ta-da! Your turn. Show off! Watch the HIS. perfect! That's very creative. Your best one! Go! Go! All right, here goes.
That is so unfair.
Then it's a tie. I had fun. Victory celebration dance? Why not?
Two very different friends. One joyful moment.
It would be nice to have someone to enjoy winter with. Something's missing.
A spark of life woke inside the snow.
Hi. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
I made you. I made you.
Wow, everything is so shiny. Ooh, cold. I love it.
Elsa watched her creation with joy.
Does this mean we're friends?
Yes, Olaf. We're friends. Warm hug time. He's perfect. Winter welcomed its newest friend.
They taste like winter.
And so, a magical friendship was born.
Elsa trained her magic on a calm winter morning.
Elsa! That looks amazing! Teach me! Anna, you do not have ice magic. Maybe I don't have magic yet. But I can learn. All right. My magic starts with calm and focus. Focus doesn't mean squeeze your face. Elsa, did I do that? This is harder than it looks.
Magic works best when I feel peaceful or joyful.
Well, I am joyful. I have the best sister. Maybe.
Magic follows gentle motion.
Look! Look! I'm glowing! That'd just the ice reflecting, but good job. Okay. Big magic time. I did magic! Real magic! It's tiny, but yes, it's magic. Elsa! Teach me everything!
Magic grows with patience and trust.
I don't need to be like you. I just want to learn with you.
And that's the best kind of magic.
Magic is strongest when shared with the ones we love.
Far atop the North Mountain, something in the ice begins to tremble.
Elsa feels her powers growing stronger and harder to control.
Calm. Just breathe. You can control it.
No! Please stop! Elsa! I felt the whole mountain shake. Are you okay? Anna! Stop! It's not safe! Stay back!
Her fear is imagining higher than she intends.
I'm not afraid of you, Elsa. I'm only worried about you. I don't want to hurt anyone.
Then let me help you before it gets worse.
Every time you're near me, the magic grows stronger. What if I can't stop it? You don't have to stop it alone. We can face it together, like sisters.
But fear still tightens Elsa's chest, and the storm answers her heart.
Elsa! Look at me! Just at me! I'm scared, Anna. Then hold on to me.
In that one touch, fear loosens its grip.
I'm so sorry. I almost let it all go too far. You didn't lose me, Elsa. I'm right here. I always will be. Maybe the castle doesn't need to be perfect. Just honest. Honestly, it was a little too dramatic. Next time, fewer explosions, more hot chocolate. Deal! Starting with a little snow, just for fun. See? That's the Elsa I know. The one who has you by her side.
As long as they stand together, no storm inside or out can break them.
Anna! That tree looks like a giant marshmallow.
Only you would say that, Olaf. Woo! Hold on! I can't see anything. Olaf? Oh. Where are we?
We're lost! This is going to be an adventure!
Adventure wasn't really the plan today. Elsa felt something was wrong. Anna? Where did you go?
What if I melt emotionally?
It's okay. Elsa always finds us. Almost there.
Anna, do you hear that?
Elsa. I found you. Are you two okay? We knew you'd come. Best rescue ever! Let's head back safely. Thank you for coming so fast. I found you. Are you two okay?
And I didn't melt. Emotionally or physically.
And with Elsa's help, they returned home, safe and warm. A winter day grew heavier than ever.
Why won't it stop? No, not again! I can't control it!
Elsa!
It's okay, I'm here.
Stay back. I don't want to hurt anyone.
You're not dangerous, Elsa.
You're overwhelmed, not out of control. Look at me. Breathe with me.
I'm trying.
You're stronger than your fear.
I can control it. Yes.
Just like that. You're not alone, Elsa. See? You're in control.
I just needed someone to believe in me.
Even the strongest magic becomes calm when a kind voice reaches it.
Why is it so hot here? My magic feels weak here. Okay, we just need to stay calm. Elsa, look! Water! Oh, I see it! I'm not sure. It might be a mirage. Mirage or not, let's check. Stay close, Anna. Uh-oh. Is that normal? Let me try something. Elsa! You did it! It's cool in here. I can hold it just a bit longer. Elsa, look! Something shiny! It's absorbing sunlight. This might help my magic. Follow the ice. This is the best in a desert. We're almost out. That was scary, but fun with you. As long as we're together, we'll be okay. Fresh air! Finally! best water ever.
Together, even the desert couldn't stop their bond. A peaceful morning, or so it seems.
Huh? Did I do something wrong?
You left without telling me.
Left? Left? I was just getting firewood.
Maybe I would have come if someone asked.
I didn't want to wake you. You look tired.
You're not supposed to make it hard to stay mad.
Princess Anna, I apologize for early morning wood gathering.
Kristoff. That's not a crime.
Felt like one after you glared at me.
I just wanted to spend the morning with you.
Then let's spend the whole day together.
A tiny misunderstanding melts away.
Truce? Eh?
Only if you catch me first. Come on, Slowpoke!
Hey! No fair!
I'm coming for you.
You're still too slow.
Okay, now I'm really trying. Arguments disappear when hearts are warm.
Okay, truce accepted.
Good. Wouldn't want you running forever. In Arendelle, even snow melts faster than a silly argument.
Why did the snow stop?
Elsa! Hans is testing something outside. Just a small winter experiment.
What are you working on?
Uh-oh. That's not right.
Woohoo! Fireworks!
This is amazing!
Your idea is wonderful, just unstable.
You fixed it.
Got one?
just wanted to help.
You did. This is beautiful.
Winter team! Yes! Snow is back! Back!
Now it should be perfect.
Wait for me.
Oh, how beautiful! Look at the lights! Truly enchanting.
Best winter ever.
Thank you for believing in me.
Everyone deserves a new beginning.
Let's celebrate.
This place will be perfect for the winter festival. Huh?
Whoa! Wait, no, 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 no! Great! Now I'm stuck!
Anyone? A little help?
Something's wrong.
Hang on.
Elsa? Is that you?
Hans, are you okay down there?
I'm fine, just stuck.
Hold on. I'm making a way for you. You can climb up now.
This is actually impressive.
Okay, slowly. Gotcha. Thanks, really. You always know what to do.
All clear now. Let's head home.
I'd be in real trouble without you.
Elsa! Hans! Over here! Glad you're safe.
With Elsa's magic and heart, no one is ever lost in the snow.
On a quiet Christmas night, the Snow Palace waits for a very special feast.
Elsa has prepared a Christmas dinner unlike any other. Just a little more sparkle.
Now, where is Olaf?
Elsa! I'm here, and I brought snacks!
Behold! Snowman cookies, made by an actual snowman.
They look wonderful, Olaf. Thank you.
Oh, you're gonna make me melt emotionally.
Your seat, Sir Olaf of Christmas Snacks.
A throne?
For me?
I feel so official. Do I need a speech?
No speech required. Just enjoy.
To our snowy Christmas.
And to hot chocolate that doesn't melt me.
It tickles my insides, if I had insides.
I'm really glad you're here, Olaf. Christmas feels warmer with you.
That's funny, 'cause you're the one made of ice.
Come on. Dinner is only part of Christmas. The show is just beginning.
A show? With singing? With dancing? With marshmallows?
I used to think I should celebrate alone up here. Good thing you were wrong. Thank you for making this palace feel like home.
Anytime.
I'm excellent at feeling things, especially joy.
I think Christmas should happen at least 4 times a week.
Let's start with once a year.
In the heart of the snow, warmth grows from friendship.
Next year, can we invite everyone? Anna, Kristoff, Sven, and more Coco?
Absolutely.
And so, Elsa and Olaf's Christmas feast filled the Snow Palace with